Oh, Mr. Arnott, set the carbs up best I can. The method by ear more than pressures, but I'm working on that. I'll do that a bit better later on. Running nice and smooth on map 1, and hopefully starting easier now than it did the other night when I went out for the first run. But there she is. Doesn't smell so much of petrol now, and got a good response. Good response and a good sound. I'm happy. Long may it stay that way. Just going to stop her now and give her a restart. Ticking over nicely. Oh, I said spoke too soon. I would have done that before, but just needs a little bit of fuel in there on the fuel pump to stabilise it. But there, good job.